This is David Warren, your Wingit weatherman, reporting to you from Wingit. It would appear that the storm has finally passed and moved on, and the sun has reared its brilliant and glowing head to begin the great recovery from this auspicious storm. As the snow melts, we can only wait to see what it has left in its wake. Hopefully it has left something benevolent that we can gain strength from, and we can move on from this great storm that has buried our great community. I thank all of my viewers for tuning in, for your kind comments. I hope it has helped to make the storm more bearable, as it has certainly helped me to report to you on its events, and I shall be in the days ahead seeking out survivors of the storm to interview to get their impressions, particularly Mr. Rusty Shankleford, to see how he weathered this latest storm. Again, I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and until next time, I bid you adieu. This is David Warren. Back to you, Wolf.